Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create rewind effect using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the project I have just created and I'm going to create rewind effect for this video. Okay guys, I'm going to speed up this video. We can select the video and then we're going to go to the speed menu and select normal, and you're going to speed up your video until the duration is around 3 seconds. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the check mark. Then we're going to reverse the video. So you can go to the reverse menu, scroll all the way to the right until you find the reverse option. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. The reverse feature is being applied to this video. And then I'm going to add rewind overlay. For the rewind overlay, you can download it from the internet. Just search rewind overlay and you will find an overlay like this. Okay, and there will be two effects, backward and forward, and I'm going to choose one of them. Okay, and we're going to blend the overlay with the original video. I'm going to go to displays and I'm going to select wait, I'm going to choose overlay like this, and I'm going to add glitch effect. But let me play it guys. Okay, and I'm going to add glitch effect. You can go to the effect menu, select video effect, and then you can go to the glitch category. Okay, and if you are pro user, you can choose snow glitch. Wait, snow glitch. Okay, hold on guys. Okay, you can choose this effect, or if you don't have pro, you can use the glitch only effect. But this is the perfect effect for the rewind effect. Okay, and let's try the glitch effect, the free effect. I'm just going to search glitch. Oops, I got typo. Yeah, you're going to choose this glitch, and then you can adjust the speed, filter, range, and just keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. This is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create rewind effect using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.